One.
Hi guys, my name is Dr. Yashwin Krishna. I here present to bust out some vaccine related queries. First one, which vaccine is better? Is it Covishield or Covaxin? Or who are the manufacturers? The Covishield is manufactured by Serum Institute of Pune and it's an Oxford vaccine which is in a non-replicating viral vector. And on the other hand, Covaxin, which is manufactured by Bharat Biotech, which is an inactivated vaccine. The efficacies of the both vaccines are the same, and seroconversion is almost same for both vaccines, and it is both equally effective in neutralizing the new variants and mutants of the coronavirus. Question number 2. When one should take vaccine? According to the guidelines released by the Government of India, from April 1, more than 45 years, initially, when the vaccine rollout was started, it was given to the healthcare workers. After that, people aged more than 60 years. After that, the more than 45 years. And now, from May 1, age between 18 to 45 years, the vaccine have been rolled out. Everyone, though the persons having comorbidities who recovered from corona, can take this vaccine. When one should not take vaccines? A lady who is pregnant or who is having ongoing corona or COVID-19 infection or who is having fever, irrespective of corona status, should not take this vaccine. What if you get test positive after getting vaccination? There is nothing new. You can control, you are the same patient, you can follow the same protocols as a normal COVID positive patient, even though you get vaccine and after that you get positive. There is no much difference, though the prognosis is very good. What is a home isolation criteria for mild patients? 85 to 90% of the COVID infection people are mild cases. What are the criteria? There are 4 simple criteria. 1. Saturation of the blood, which is called as SpO2, should be more than or equal to 94, or respiratory rate should be between 16 to 20 per minute, or no mental confusion or no breathlessness. And when one should look for the doctor? Yes. When one should take the medical advice or admit the patient? If the patient is having persistent fever or persistent cough for more than 5 days, or he is having new onset of breathlessness or mental confusion. What are the side effects of vaccines? There are some mild side effects like sore throat, fever, myalgia, local site pain, body ache, and these side effects are generally peak within 24 hours after the vaccination, which is only present for only 2 to 3 days, and mostly they are very mild and they wean off. And actually, presence of fever is a very good sign after vaccination. Shows that it is in a positive conversion of the antibodies, which otherwise called as seroconversion. Finally, what is the diet in corona? More importantly, diet in the corona should consist of more of proteins and less of carbohydrates and moderate amount of fat and increase amount of fluids, and which includes citric acid juices like orange juice, lemon and other citric acid juices, and green leafy vegetables. These all should be. There is no contraindication of eating egg or non-veg or meat protein during COVID infections. Thank you guys. Be positive and spread the positivity. Don't get tested positive. Take vaccination and protect others and be a hero. Thank you.